Hey guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to another video. So today, I will be showing you all the fidgets I got from the Easter Bunny. So first, I got this textured unicorn monkey noodle. Next, I got this blue pop tube. Then I got this mochi, this mochi, this mochi, and this mochi. Those were all the fidgets I got from the Easter Bunny. Now Mia will show you the fidgets she got.
Okay, so I got this purple pop tube. I just made it in a circle.
Okay, Mia, here's the next one.
Then in the next one I got is this unicorn textured monkey noodle, and it's kind of like a bracelet because there's a hole in it.
Same with mine.
The hole out, and then you put the unicorn in the hole. Then it's like that, and you can wear it.
Alright, here's
the rest of them. So I have this cute little dragon mochi. Okay. Then I have this unicorn white emoji.
Next mochi.
I got this blowfish. I got this blowfish mochi. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Super squishy. And then,
Last but not least,
a cute little elephant emoji. A pink little elephant emoji.
Alright, and that's all the fidgets we both got from the Easter Bunny. Remember, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye!